Hey, what's up? How you doing today? Just want to make a quick video to show you this nice competitive WorkPro gear ratchet set I got a while back. You can get them off Amazon, eBay. They're around $30, $35, something like that. I wound up getting it off of Temu for a little bit cheaper. It might have been around 25-ish, maybe, something like that. But I'm sure they're Chinese, being that inexpensive, but they're good for getting in tight places, especially this guy, number 10 millimeter stubby ratchet. Pretty small. I borrowed some from some good neighbors that had some tools like that, just a regular one and then a stubby one from another guy, specifically for doing the turbo core cartridge on my 2013 Volkswagen Passat with the 2.0 TDI turbo diesel, which was, to me, was a pretty tough job, but got it done, had some good help. So it goes from 10 millimeter up to 14, and then it goes to 15, and then skips to 18. So I think I used this 14 or 15, either the 14 or 15 on a serpentine belt job. Helped, made it easier. And then for standard, it's got, starts, the smallest one's 3/8, goes up to 5/8, and then what do we got? 11/16 and 3/4. So pretty good range, but I'm not full-time, so should get the job done. Doesn't have real hinges and clips, so eventually this crap may break on you if you're using it much, opening it and closing it a lot. So get your duct tape ready, or better yet, get some, if it does break on you, get some HVAC strap and cut to length, trim the corners so it doesn't stab you. Get some of these are really handy screws. These half-inch, number 8 half-inch, I don't know how you pronounce it, lathe, self-piercing screws. So, yeah, but I mean, I thought I need to get my own of these for getting in those tight places. It was tough. You got to have something really, really small to get in those tight places. So, just FYI, amazing how competitive stuff is now. So, let's see what the jukebox is playing. 1983 with Jakey Lee. 2 awesome albums. I don't know why Sharon fired Jakey Lee. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Take care.